Hey guys, welcome to day number 5. I'm starting in here doing the rest of this wallpaper, so trying to get all of this down. We've made good progress from last week. We got all of that down, and now we just have this and this to finish. So starting here, and then I'm going to move my way upstairs and probably start washing the walls. Okay, a little update. Just got done with lunch, and this is what I've gotten from so far. So I've done like all of this area here, and for some reason this side of the wall, all of the wallpaper and like the backing, which is this like yellow stuff, all came off very easily. And this is a outside wall for the house, and this is not coming off as easy. As you can see, it's coming off like in separate pieces, so the top part of the wallpaper is coming off quite easy, and then this yellow part, which is the backing of the wallpaper, is not coming off easy at all. So it's basically just flaking in small little pieces like this, which you can see on the ground. It looks like little like wood shreds. Run, got a bunch of stuff that we need for the house, a lot of paint, primer, paint tools and everything, putty, and right now I'm going to start filling in the gaps on this drywall, which we actually don't have that many, but I'm going to do that so that has time to dry over the next day or two, and then I'm going to head upstairs and work on priming. So as you can see right here and right along the wall, I have to do, or the window, I have to put the drywall tape, and then I'll let all of that set. And while that is setting, I'm going to finish sanding the rest of the walls because these are ready to be sanded, everything's dry, and then I'll probably come back to this tomorrow and sand all of this. Upstairs now, and I'm going to sweep this room, which I already did with the broom, and now I'm going to do with the vacuum. So I sectioned this off yesterday after I swept everything, just because I didn't want any other dust or debris getting in there. And then I'm going to use the vacuum, and I'm just going to sweep and make sure I got all the cobwebs and everything down, and then I'm going to wash the walls so that they are ready to be primed. With the other room, now I'm on to this room to clean it. I just swept it, and this is a room we've actually been staying in, so I'm going to wipe down the walls and the ceiling just like I did the other room. Okay guys, it is day 7. As you can see in here, I patched all the walls. This wall is actually the worst, and all the other walls down here in the living room were pretty good. All right, now going upstairs. Okay, so I decided that all the trim for the windows and everything, I want that to come down, and I want it to just be solid wood, so it will look like the rest of the house. I'll show you guys in here. So you see how like this trim is just solid wood, so it's like an inch thick and then like 4 inches wide. So that's what I want in the whole house, since that's what it has downstairs, and that's what's going to be in this room, and then the other room that is also a mess. So yeah, we have this window in the hallway, and then we have 2 in this room, and a baseboard, and then we will have the baseboards in the hallway. Trim around the doors, and then in here we have 2 windows. So this is what we're gonna replace. So I mentioned I'm gonna start priming. So I'm gonna start priming in this room. This one we got the window frame all done, and then we ran out of wood. So we're gonna do this one and the other room tomorrow. All right, so we are at the end of day 8. Just gonna recap everything that we did. In here we finished taking off this wallpaper, if you remember, and then I went through and filled in all the holes and everything, and then I also sanded everything. There's this one small area that I have to wait on because it's still wet. So that's everything we did down here, and then upstairs. Okay, so upstairs, I primed this room and then this next room that I'll show you in a second. We cut out new window frames, primed those, and then cut out the baseboards for this room. And then in the second room, we also primed the walls, cut new window frames, and then primed those as well. And then we will take off the baseboards and stuff next week. And I think that's all that we covered this set of 4 days.